my people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's lesson is about buy and sell. Muraho neza abantu banjye, uyu munsi twifuje kuganira ku magambo bita kugura no kugurisha. Mba narebye amagambo ashobora kuba yakoreshwa cyane. Urabona mu Rwanda dufite abacuruzi benshi, dufite abagura benshi, nta muntu utagura, n'utagura aragurisha. That's why I want to talk about buy and sell. Verb to buy bivuga mu Kinyarwanda kugura. Verb to sell mu Kinyarwanda bikavuga kugurisha. If you want to conjugate verb to buy, you can say, niba ushaka gutondagura inshinga kugura, uravuga ngo I buy, ndagura, you buy, uragura, he buy or she buy, aragura, she buys. You must remember to put is on third person. Uvuga ngo ugomba kwibuka ko ku persona wa gatatu ugomba kuva buri gihe niba uri gutondagura wongeraho sa. That's why you must say she buys or he buys. Aragura, niba ari umugabo, niba ari umugore, aragura. Aho ukoresha he ni ku mugabo, he buys. Aho ukoresha she buys ni ku mukobwa cyangwa umudamu. We buy, you buy, we buy, turagura, you buy, muragura, they buy, baragura. So it's just simple. Only just you must remember to put is on third person. Iroroshye cyane ariko ugiye gushyiraho sa ku mubundo wa gatatu, ku persona wa gatatu. We can also conjugate verb to sell. Dushobora no gutondagura inshinga kugurisha. I can start. I buy, I sell, ndagurisha. You sell, uragurisha. He sells or she sells, aragurisha. We sell, you sell, they sell. So you can see that you already put is on third person. For example, I can give you example of buy. You can say, I buy potatoes. Ndagura ibijumba. You can even use the example of sell. Ushobora no gutanga urugero ku kugurisha. I sell shoes. Ukuvuga ngurisha iki? Inkweto. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed or it's also helpful. You can do subscribe or share or give me a like. I love you guys. I love you so much.